Well, let's do a quick revision of some of those stocks that will be in focus today. Sonal joins us to tell us about the CGD players that she's tracking. Sonal.
Two news pieces here. First, of course, is a brokerage note that is coming from Citi, and it is on the oil and gas space, specifically on the gas space, where they retain their constructive view on GAIL, IGL and MGL, which are the preferred picks for the brokerage. They believe consolidation in the CGD sector is likely going forward, and consolidation could benefit the larger and the more experienced CGD in this space. They say that NDA government could consider bringing gas under the GST regime, and something that other analysts have also spoken about. And if that happens, that could benefit the entire gas value chain, because remember, in some of the cases, input tax credit is not available, and that leads to costs going higher for some of these players. And if it is under GST, that would mean seamless movement in terms of input credit and lower costs as well. So that's why they think a possibility of them coming under GST would be positive for all these gas players. Additionally, PNGRB has put out a draft notification. This is for city gas distribution companies to establish and operate LNG terminals. Now remember, a lot of these companies are talking about expansion away from the core business as well, and there is a notification in this regard right now. The LNG infrastructure would include receiving, storing, regasification and transportation of LNG, and any entity that is desirous of establishing or operating an LNG terminal should submit an application to the PNGRB, and they will also have to furnish a guarantee to the PNGRB, which would be 1% of the total capex of that terminal, or 25 crore rupees, whichever is lower. Board, after examining the application, may issue certificate to commence operations for a period of 30 years. So of course it's a draft right now, but something has been put in writing for this particular project, and that is why these companies will be in focus.
All right, Sonal, thank you very much for that. So keep an eye out on these names as we begin another session today.